Mercedes-Benz officially licensed, RC alloy farm tractor. Full mechanical texture, multiple alloy body parts. Precise control, 2.4G high-frequency remote. Realistic scale design, true-to-life restoration. Linked lighting system, lights on when moving forward, flashing when reversing. Night operation, one-button hazard warning lights. Openable hood, detailed internal structure. Realistic restoration, dual side doors can be opened. Vacuum rubber tires, stable grip and wear resistant. Independent suspension structure, effectively absorbs bumps and vibrations. Expandable play, supports rear trailer connection. Simulates real transport work, one-button remote trailer lift. Powerful pulling force, easy and exciting towing. Exquisite desktop display, agricultural machinery aesthetics. Immersive driving experience, flexible remote control. Action display, one-button automatic. Mercedes-Benz officially licensed, RC alloy farm tractor.